Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform or obtain effect sizes after a post-hoc test for a goodness of fit test using Excel and my stikpetE add-in. My add-in is available on my GitHub account, so if you go to this link or to this website and you download the stikpetE XLAM file, once you download it, open Excel, go for File Options, Add-ins, and Go, and then browse to the file. That should give you access to a lot of additional functions, including the ES Post-Hoc Goodness-of-Fit function. To show you how that works, I have marital status up here, which is from the General Social Survey from 2012, adjusted for some example purposes. It takes as input post-hoc results, and then if you like you can specify which effect size you actually want to use. I have separate videos on each of these effect sizes if you're using it for the regular test and not a post-hoc test. So there's more details in those videos on all of this. You can also specify if you want to use the Bearsma correction. And to show you an example, it needs the post-hoc test. So here I've simply used my own function for that. And then I feed actually that result into the ES post-hoc. And as you can see, I then get immediately the results. In this case, I'm getting Kramer's V for each of the different categories. Now I might want to know a rule of thumb for these, so what I could also do is then use TH thumbs rules post-hoc goodness of fit. That takes as input the previous result, so this one, and then if you like you can convert the measure to another measure, so you can use the rules of thumb for some of the other methods. Some of them, the JBM, E, and FE, will actually also require those post-hoc results. And if you like, you can specify which qualification to actually use. So see the separate videos for each effect size measure, which qualifications might be available. So here's an example for that. So it's simply using the previous output as input, and then I get the same results. Again, it basically copies the results of the previous one, but now also adds a qualification and a reference for that qualification. Here's another example where I actually converts it to a, the JBME gets converted to a Cohen W, and then it's using the Cohen W qualification with the reference. Alright, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.